Tell me when you're ready.
Ready. All right, we made a C4 and we're gonna light this guy on fire. Let's do it. Trent, get ready to run.
Okay, way back. Jack, get way back.
Oh, he's on fire.
He's on fire. Oh no.
He burned his leg. Oh God. Put him in the pool. Hurry.
No, don't put him in the pool. Just throw him. He'll still go out. Ready?
You're gonna go flying. Oh my God. Oh. Dead. How come one half of it blew apart?
Yeah.
And didn't?
Hold it sideways, Jack.
My balls are burning! My balls are burning! Yeah, my balls are burning! I just got my balls burned off. It hurt very, very bad. My balls! Oh no, he's sinking! He's going to die! No, I don't want to die yet. No.